Hey everyone, how's it going? Look, the MX 135 is back. Just picked it up the other day. Haven't had time to do a video on it yet. I still have all the side panels here. I didn't give them to the mechanic because they didn't need them, and then didn't want them to get lost. But yeah, she's all working. She is actually, well, you know what? To be honest, it's not working because on the way home. I gotta buy a light for this too. On the way home, the front right-hand seal decided to let go on the front axle. So I'll lose an oil out of there. But I got a seal ordered and they're pretty easy to put in. I put them in before. But don't have it apart. And what can happen on these front axles is there's two big bearings on there, and the races crack. For some reason, I don't know, it's just that they should be made a little bit heavier for like loader work, because this tractor does all the loader work, heavy duty loader work. So loaders are hard on tractors. So I'm just waiting for that seal. I'm hoping it's going to be okay. Yeah. No, I've replaced the bearings. Actually, I've replaced the hubs on both of these with used ones from a wrecker, and they've been good so far. So I'm just hoping it's a seal, because there was some twine wrapped around there, so I'm just hoping it's that. Just having a look at it, yeah, hard to say till I get it apart, but I'm hoping it's just a seal. I don't have to go find a hub again. But yeah, they had it all split apart as you saw in an earlier video. Everything's working now. I'll show you what the whole culprit was that caused all the problems, and a hefty repair bill too. 76 hours of labor at $115 an hour kind of tells you what it's going to be. But the whole main culprit was this guy. This one is brand new. You can tell it's brand new because it's got the this little plastic deal on top here, where the newer MXs, this tractor is a 98, and the newer ones had this shield here. What it does is, a lot of times when I'm running my power shift, I'll go down to move my hand to the throttle, pull it either up or down, whatever, and a lot of times it'll be like, say, in fourth. A lot of times I'll put my hand down to go reach, and it'll pull the switch down all the way to 1, and you'll just fly forward almost into the glass. So that was their fix to keep you from doing that. It's a little shield here and it's on the other MX, the 120 right there, and I've never done it with that one, but this one I've done it a few times and I hated it. But yeah, so this guy is brand new, and this is what caused the whole problems. What it was doing, it was making all 4 clutch packs engage at once, and it really messed things up inside there. But I wonder if anybody knows what this switch and handle, it's just up to here, and then it's wires, just screws on, what this costs. It's quite amazing. So throw your guesses in the comments, and I'll reveal what the actual price was, because it's crazy, absolutely retarded. Anyway, yeah, other than that, she's fine. Fire it up. Yeah. Running good. Running good, eh, Sean? Yeah. So, I just need some air in my seat. Anyway, that's all good and dandy. When did we do an oil change on this, Sean? In the spring, right? Pretty sure it was in the spring. Was it in the winter? Well, it's got all new fuel filters. I usually write the hours down, but I did not do this one. I think Sean and Lori's changed it, so I wasn't aware of when this was changed. So I'm pretty sure this thing had 2 good oil changes on it way before the time. So I think in the fall we'll change oil again, and it'll be pretty good. It's got all brand new tranny oil, case filter on there. I'll probably be changing that one pretty quick, just as, you know, find any kind of wear in there. All it was the fiber discs. Oh, I have the discs, you guys can see them. So yeah, these are the clutch packs and some bearings, some seals there. Here's the discs, friction here, and you can see how they tore the fiber right off of them. Pretty, not much left. This one's even worse. You can see that one's pretty bad. So yeah, they were pretty much toast. There's nothing left on that one. That one's baked in. Baked right on it. There's another fiber. So yeah, and then we had some bearings in here. And some aren't bad, but they've been changed anyway. They got a little bit of play in them. There's a bad one here. Where is it? Right here. This one. This one was bad. I don't know how this one got, unless it just got bad recently, because the kicker of it is this tractor was just in the shop last spring, right? I know it was last spring, and I spent the same amount of money working on it as I did now. So how this bearing was missed, I don't know, unless it's in a different part of the tractor. That's why I'm always curious to see. Like, I wish it was done in my shop. And this way I could always keep tabs on it and just have a look, see how all that stuff goes together and stuff. Because I have never seen the transmission on that tractor split. I've only seen the rear end where the crown and pinion are. So that part I don't know where the bearings could have came from, but they could have been. I don't think they would have missed a bearing that bad. So, but yeah. We got some seals in there. Yeah, that's the rest of them. So it was pretty much foobarred. And the only other thing that I didn't get back was the core. And I'm at a loss for words again. I can't remember. Remember it all the time, and then I just forget. The torque plate. I just can't put my finger on it. It's on the tip of my tongue. Whatever. They send the old one back. Torque dampener, that's what it was. Yeah, it was all rusted and springs were broke, so we needed another one. So, and I didn't want the tractor to be split again for just that if it went. So, but yeah, all we're just waiting on is some paint. And if I get a little time to paint it before I put the loader on, that'll be good. So anyway, thanks for watching. That's update on the MX 135. And we'll catch you all later. Take it easy.